Some netball now. Jamaica's Sunshine Girls have a 100% win record after 5 days of competition at the America's Netball World Cup qualifier at the National Indoor Sports Centre. Spencer Darlington saw their latest encounter.
The home team made it 6 wins from as many games after easily brushing aside St. Lucia 85-30 in another one-sided affair on Thursday night. The Jamaicans were clinical under the rim, establishing a 24-6 lead at the end of the first quarter. They added another 19 goals in the second quarter, compared to St. Lucia's 8 to hold a 43-14 lead at the halftime interval. The third quarter saw the Sunshine Girls scoring 25 goals as they led 68-20. Another 17 goals in the final quarter saw the Jamaicans completing the 55-goal margin of victory. Giselle Allison was the top shooter for Jamaica with 56 goals from 66 attempts, while Kelsey Jonas backed up with 22 from 27 and Amanda Pinckney 7 from 10.
I think that they had the intention of playing really well and putting some score on the board. I thought they deserve it. They were enjoying the game, and kudos to them. They have delivered.
The 85-goal tally is the most by any team so far at the tournament.
It's showing that the future prospect is looking good for Jamaica netball, and I'm very happy for the rotation of these young shooters and having the confidence to go and put up some score on the board.
Shooter Shem Maxwell had 22 goals from 26 attempts for St. Lucia, who have lost all 6 games contested so far.
We know that Jamaica is ranked number 3 in the world, but they were not daunted. They want to go out there and give their best shot. And I think they did pretty well in certain areas of the game. But as I said, it's work in progress, and they can only learn from playing in a competition and playing against the number 3 ranked team.
Jamaica will meet Barbados on Friday evening at 8:15 with live coverage on Hits 92 FM, starting with a pre-game show at 8:10. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.